PowerPoint Module 5 case problem number 1. Okay, let's copy 5-3 PowerPoint file into your working folder and then rename it as community. And then open it. Okay, now add your name to this subtitle. So click this subtitle and then type your name. Alright, and then next we'll change, we will insert slides from outline Word file. Outline Word file. So make sure you click the first, okay, after slide 4. So additional slides after slide 4. So click slide 4. And then we want to insert slides from outline Word file. So click the new slides arrow. Okay, slides from outline and navigate to your student data files folder and select plan. Okay, plan.docx. And this will insert 11 more slides. Okay, there are 11 more slides added. Okay, now demote all the text on slide 6. So slide 6 is this one. Okay, in order to do this, let's change it to outline view. So click the view tab and then outline view. Outline view. So from this, okay, demote means, okay, we have a slide. This is create participant, create partnership. So this will be slide 5. This will be included in the slide 5 as bulleted item. Okay, so actually slide 6 will be this slide 6 will be removed. Instead, this content will be added to slide 5. Okay, so select this one and then right click on this selected area. And then here's a demote arrow. So click this demote button. Then it moves to the previous slides. And then that slide is, the slide that contains this original text is removed. Okay, that was number 3. And the number 4. Okay, demote all text on slide 8. So select this whole thing. We will do the same thing. So right click and then demote. So it moves to the front. And then we want to move this one to the second bulleted item. So right click and then move up. So you can do this one for a few times. Or you can do a Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Still okay. So now equipment became the second bulleted item on this slide 7, sorry. Okay, number 5 on slide 2. Okay, on slide 2, there's nothing here. Okay, now let's change the view to normal. So click the normal view in the view tab. Okay, and then we will insert icon, but since we don't have an icon, let's insert a picture of a person standing. So insert picture, online picture, and then let me type person standing, something like this. And let's say what we have. Okay, so here are persons standing. So why don't we select this one? Any person is fine as long as it is standing. So yeah, I think this is appropriate, and then insert. Okay, let's click this lower rectangle. Let's remove this one. We don't need it, so remove it. So we have only person standing here. Then let's change the size. So let's change the size to 1 inch. 1 inch. You can make it 1 inch. Maybe, yeah, 1 inch is fine. And then bring it to the, around, the head should be 2 inches high, 2 inches. And then move it to the left somewhere like this. Left aligned like this. Okay, copy and paste. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and bring it to the next. So it looks like this. Alright. And then okay, make sure this one is aligned correctly. So click this align button and then align top. So they are aligned on top. And then we will duplicate this one, 3 more. So Ctrl D, select Ctrl D, and then move it to the right, like this. And then also Ctrl D. So there are 6 of them. Okay, 6 of them. Okay, and then next what we're gonna do is let's check on this one. Okay, since there are 6 standing men here, so why don't we make 12 pictures, 12 men here. So you can keep pressing Ctrl D to make it 12, or you can select this and then copy and paste it again, doesn't matter. Now you can keep pressing Ctrl D so that until it becomes 12 of them. So there are 12 of them, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, we created 12 pictures and aligned on top like this. Okay, select 6th and the 12th person. So select the 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6th person and 12th person. And then from this one, we will change the color. So let's change the color to, green, something like this, green. Okay, select the color arrow and then green. Okay. And then select all 12 icons. Select this all 12 icons. So drag it. Drag it so this will cover all these 12. So make sure these 12 icons. Actually, this is not icon. This is pictures, right? Pictures selected. Okay, and then apply the appear entrance animation to the selected pictures. So click the animations and then apply appear entrance. So select this appear. Okay. Then change the start setting to after previous and add a delay of 0.5 seconds. So starts after previous. Okay, add delay 0.5. Okay, add a blink emphasis animation to the green icons. So select the first green icon, the 6th person, and click this add animations. So we want to add another animation to this green picture. So the blink is in the more emphasis effect. Click this blink and then OK. And then click this dialog box. Okay, from the dialog box, change the duration of the blink animation. So the duration should be 0.5 seconds. So duration is 0.5 seconds. Okay, modify the blink animation applied to the green icons so that they repeat 3 times. So repeat 3 times. So it occurs after the appear animation applied to the same icon. And then change the start setting of the blink animation to with 0.25 second delay. So this will be 0.25 and then start after previous and then click OK. So we will do this one for the last person. So add animations, more emphasis effect, select blink, and then open this dialog box launcher, and the time delay is 0.25 and 0.5 seconds, and repeat 3 times, and start after previous, and then click OK. Alright, now change the delay applied to the 7th icon to 0.25 second. The 7th, make the delay 0.25. Okay, now view slide 2 in slideshow. Alright, so before we do this, okay, open the animation pane and make sure this picture line, picture 9, this is the blink animation, right? Blink animation. So this one goes, move it so that it becomes right after the picture 9. And the last one, so this animation should be before 15, so just leave it. Okay, and then let's close this, and then slideshow. So click this slide button, show button, 3, 4, 5, blinking, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then blinking. All right, and since this is a picture, so click any picture of this one. We want to change the file size. So click the home format tab, and then adjust button. So select uncheck apply only to this one, uncheck, and then make it email resolution. So we can reduce the file size. Okay. All right, so number 13. Okay, insert slide 2 and slide 3 from the file. So click slide 1, and then we want to insert 2 slides using this Hunger PowerPoint. So click the insert new slides arrow, reuse slides, then browse, navigate to your student data files folder, the module 5, case, select Hunger, and then open. Alright, so click case. Now apply morph. So we don't have morph. So okay, from this one, so click the third one once, and then the last second one once, and the third slide once. So we added 2 slides. Then close this one. Okay, we want to apply morph transition to slide 4. So click the slide 4, and then apply the transition to morph, but since we don't have morph, select the split. Okay, let's do number 14, move slide 2. Oh, well. So actually this is slide 4. Okay, insert slide 2 and 3. Okay, slide 2 and 3 should be slide 3 and 4. So what we did is we did it incorrectly. So that's okay. Why don't we just move this slide 4 all the way to, so bring it to the last one. So go to the view tab. Okay, go to the view tab, outline view. So bring it, so click this 4 all the way down to the last one. It's not working. So right click on this, right click on the title, collapse all, and then move this one to the bottom. Okay, Control Z again. So select this, select the slide 4, and then bring it down. Okay, so the last one, the last slide should show this 12 man. Okay, and then view tab and then normal view. click the view tab, and then normal view. Okay. Okay, do it again. So on the slide 3, the transition should be split. Okay, wipe. It should be split. Okay, so apply the transition for this slide 3. Right, number 14. So make sure you have slide 2 and 3, these two slides from other PowerPoints, and the original 2 became the last slide. And then apply the transition for this slide 3 for the morph, but since we don't have morph, apply this split. And then create a new section for the last one. So move it all the way down and right click between slide 14 and 15. Right click, add section, and the name will be unused. Enter. Okay, now start Excel, open budget file, and then save it as budget. So move your mouse, okay. Let me just copy this file. So budget, select the budget from your from your student data files folder, and then copy, and then save it into your working folder, and then open this file. So we don't want to update the original file. So open this budget file. Right, so from this one, copy the column chart. So I'm going to copy this column chart, Ctrl C. And go to your PowerPoint file and select slide 10. Slide 10. Change the slide layout to title only. Title only. Title only. And then I want to copy, so paste it. So we copied it, so we will paste it here. So click the paste spatial. Okay, paste spatial, and then paste link. Okay. So whenever we change the Excel file, this chart will be automatically updated. Okay, that was number 16 and number 17. Okay, so go to the Excel file, and then let's change the number B8. Okay, B8 is negative 3,000. So change this one to negative 3,500. So this red bar will be reduced a little bit. It becomes 2,500. 3,000. Is it 3,500? This will get longer, right? Longer. Enter. So this one got longer. How about the original file? Or how about this one? Even this one, the bar changed to 3,500. Okay, and then click the charts. We want to change the chart type to pie. So click the design tab, change chart type, click pie, and then OK. So we have a pie chart. So click the slide 10 again, and the chart in the slide is automatically changed to pie chart. So resize it. So click the format tab, and then the height will be 5, and the width will be automatically 8.37. 36 is fine. And then bring it to the center of the slide. Okay. Number 19. Okay, break the link. Do we have to save it? Okay, so break the link. So click the File tab, And since this chart is linked to a Word or to an Excel file, we want to break it. So click the info menu, and on the right lower corner, select this edit links to files, and then break link. So there's no link to an Excel file. Click close, and then arrow. Okay, number 20. Okay, the budget work file, copy cell A17. A17 is this one, A17 to B33. B33 is this one. Okay, and then copy, so Control C. And then on the slide 11, click slide 11, change the layout to title only, and then Control V. In this case, okay, it says, okay, then change the layout to title only, embed. Okay, embed. So embed is click the paste, and the embed is the third one. So select the third one, or you can right click and then select this third part. Okay. Embed the copy. They resize the Excel object, so it is the 5 inches. I so click this chart format tab, and the height will be 5 inches. Then the width becomes automatically 5.31 inches wide. And the position is so it is in center in this blank area. Okay, number 21. Okay, now double click this embedded chart. Then this one shows an Excel file. All right, then okay, select A23 B27. So A20 is this one, B is this one, B27. And we want to insert a line between these selected areas. So click the Home tab, the border arrow, and then more borders. Select the last menu. And from this, we will, okay, in this border box, so click the middle, not this one, click the middle horizontal line. If you accidentally click this one, then click it again, so remove it. So we'll just edit a line between these two. Okay, and then click OK. Well, it says to insert black line, right? Black color, black border. So click color, and then select black. Okay, and then click OK. This does not change it, so anyway, just click it OK. It's not a black, but still okay, fine. All right, and then click outside. So we have lines here, and then okay, select the Excel file, and then save it, and then close. Okay, in the presentation, create the following section. So we want to create a section. So slide 1 through 4. Intro. So right click on this default section, they rename it, so rename section, and that rename, it will be intro, and then rename. Okay, and then slide 5, so click just above the slide 5, right click, and then add section, and then organization. Okay, on slide 5, so click slide above slide 5, right click between 8 and 9, add section, finances, rename. And then slide 12, so between 11 and 12, right click, add section, menu, and operations. Okay, and then slide 14, so right click before slide 14, select add section, advertising. Okay, so we just added sections. Now create a summary zoom that contains section zooms. So we don't have summary zoom, so why don't we just create a new title only on the as a first slide. Okay. Okay, so in this case, let's skip this section. So if you do have summary zoom, then you are welcome to do this one, implement this number 23. So I will just click the first slide and then delete. We don't need it. Okay, and then save it. Okay, finally, we will create a Word handout in Word file. So this will show only the outline. Okay, so click the File tab and then Export menu. Select this Create Handouts, and then Outline Only. Select this Outline Only, and then OK. Then you will create a Word file. So open this Word, then save this Word file as, okay, save as, save, browse it to your working folder. Make sure you select your working folder, and then change the file name to mp_ppt_5_ community handouts. Okay, and then save. So we have completed this exercise. Done. Oh, you want to see the show the slides. It looks like this. This is already made by the publisher. Okay, click next one. Looks like this, and so on. This is the one we just created. No blink it. Okay, so that's it.